Most people want to become rich, but very few wish to become wealthy. Yes, the words rich and wealthy are not synonymous. You could be rich, but in poor health, or rich and miserable. But if you are wealthy, it's a completely different story. People who are wealthy are also good at these 10 things. 1. They thoroughly enjoy everything they do. 2. They have more than one source of income. 3. The wealthy know the power of saving and investing wisely. In other words, they are financially literate. 4. They constantly learn something new, sometimes even from areas outside their discipline, to stay ahead in the race. 5. By the way, the wealthy also set goals and constantly evaluate their own progress. 6. The wealthy listen and observe very carefully. They are also open to constructive feedback and change. 7. The wealthy network with successful people, and they also have good mentors. 8. The wealthy don't do all the work themselves. They know the importance of leveraging the professional skills of qualified people. 9. They pay attention to their physical, mental, and social wellness. How do they do this? The wealthy eat well, sleep well, exercise daily, laugh more often, adopt a positive attitude, stay motivated, build social connections, and engage in charity or giving back to society. 10. Lastly, the wealthy respect novelty, creativity, and engage in constant innovation. Always remember that without innovation and scientific research, you will never be able to maintain a competitive edge over your rivals. So now tell me, my dear friends, do you want to become rich, or do you want to become wealthy, in the next 5 years? Please consider donating to Videonium if you enjoyed watching this video.